Make a great choice today with the 2016 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, driver's side airbag, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, auto express down window, alloy wheels, adjustable headrests, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.